Hello everyone, it's Olumayowa Victor Ogushola from iDPS Consult Netherlands. iDPS means I diagnose and profile solutions. Today I've got something very interesting for all of us. It's that time of the year again where the year comes to an end. As I talk right now, today is the 16th of December 2021. I'm sure we are all excited. What a year it was, COVID and all of these challenges, but here we are. So we've got about 14 days, 15 days to the end of this year. And I think this is the right time that we should start planning for the next year. And that's why today I am talking about setting goals for 2022. That's what I'm talking about today. Setting SMART goals for 2022. I just like to quickly put that on the smart board. Yeah. Setting SMART goals for 2022. Yay, that's what we talk about today. I think this should be interesting for all of us, irrespective if we are a student from any university anywhere in the world, or from a professional from any sector anywhere in the world, or perhaps we are an entrepreneur and we own our business in any geographical location anywhere in the world. We want to set SMART goals for 2022. Before I go on with this topic, as you know, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on the subscription button right now. Click on subscribe. Thank you. When you subscribe, you will have access to all our professional development videos and personal effectiveness videos. If you like this video at the end, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube by clicking the like button, and please share this with family, friends, and colleagues so that they can set SMART goals for 2022. How do you set SMART goals for 2022? What do we mean by SMART goals? Let's start by explaining the element SMART. Pardon me. So the element SMART, as you can see, is an acronym. And when you set SMART goals for 2022, which means those goals must be specific. You cannot afford in 2022, I am not sure, I think, no. Set goals that are specific. Know what you want, know what you do not want. And I will go to the type of goals in a minute, but whether they are personal goals or professional goals, make sure that they are specific. When you set goals for 2022, make sure that they are goals that we can measure. Your goals must be measurable. Am I there yet? What more do I need to achieve this goal? So when you set your goals for 2022, make sure that they are goals that you can check along the line and say, how long for me to achieve this goal? There we talk about achievable. And you can say that the A and B can go hand in hand, yeah? Achievable and realistic goals. Be very truthful to yourself. For example, if you are still a bachelor student right now and you are in your final year of bachelor's, let's say you're in your third year of your bachelor program, you cannot say, for example, by 2022 summer, by June 2022, I want to have my PhD degree. That's not going to happen. There's no magic that will make that happen. So when you set goals, make sure that you set goals that are achievable and realistic. Be truthful to yourself. Do I have the resources? Can I achieve that goal in that time? Am I qualified to go for that goal? So your goals must be achievable and realistic. And lastly, make sure that for every goal that you set for the year 2022 is timely. Put a time to it. By August 2022, the 8th month, I want to have saved 8,000 euros. That's an achievable goal because you know that you can save 8,000 euros in January, in February, in March, in April, in May, in June, July, and August, and therefore you have your 8,000 euros. So put a time to it. The time is the when. when will I achieve this goal? What I would like to say as well about setting SMART goals for 2022 is that you could use what we call the 5 W's and the H. That could help you set SMART goals for 2022. You start with the question, what? What do I want to achieve in 2022? What are the things that I want to achieve in 2022? Why? Why do I want to achieve this in 2022? I want to achieve this in 2022 so that I've got better health. I want to achieve this in 2022 so that I've got better finance. I want to achieve this in 2022 so that I've got a happier family. Why? Make it clear. For every goal that you set, remind yourself of the why. Yep. The who. Who are the stakeholders that will help you achieve this goal at the right time? Who are the stakeholders that will help you resources? You cannot claim that you have all the resources. Could be finance, could be connection, could be networking. Who are the stakeholders? Family, friends, colleagues, someone you don't know but that you have to connect to on LinkedIn. You don't have to know someone, but you can try to connect to them. Huh? Who? Where? Yeah, we talk about the what. What are my goals? Why are these my goals? Who will help me achieve my goals? Where? Is this a goal that I want to achieve in the Netherlands? Or do I need to go to Brazil before I can achieve these goals? Or do I need to go to Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya, before I can achieve these goals? Where? It's very important. And then we have 4 W's, and the last W, we have what, why, who, where, and when. Huh? Please, when. And I've talked about the when. The when is the time factor. When, put a time to it. If you say, I want to start a new business, that's not a SMART goal. I want to start a new business by July 2022. That's a SMART goal. You start making plans towards July. Then you say, you just talk about 5 W's. What about the H? The H is the how. What is the strategy that I would use to achieve this SMART goal? The how. How would I raise the finances? How would I put the resources together? How do I get that qualification to apply so that I can achieve my goal? So be clear on this when you set your goals. The last part of this video is where I'm going to inform you that you must clearly separate your personal goals from your professional goals. Let's do it this way, yeah? So you have personal goals. Personal goals, yeah? And then you have professional goals. Yeah? You have to clearly separate them. For your personal goals or for your professional goals, you have to have short-term goals. Yeah? So, for example, what are your short-term personal goals? So maybe somebody says, a student says, personal, what are your short-term personal goals? Then maybe you say, I want to lose some weight. Could be, yeah? Lose some weight, yeah? You want to drop from 105 kg to 85 kg. You want to lose 20 kg, yeah? Lose some, this is not specific, yeah? To be specific, you say, I want to lose 20 kg, yeah? I want to lose 20 kg, yeah? You can hear me, yeah? That's 20 kg, yeah? I want to lose 20 kg, yeah? Then we go to professional goals, short-term professional goals. Then you say, I want to pass all my exams. Maybe you're a student, yeah? Pass all my semester exams. Yep. Short, clear. Hey, Tom, tell us about your personal goals. My short-term personal goals, I want to lose weight. I want to lose 20 kg. Those are your personal goals. What about your professional goals? You know what? I want to pass all my semester exams, short-term. What about mid-term? Yeah? Mid-term goals. For mid-term goals as well, you will need to have mid-term personal goals and mid-term professional goals. It could be that the mid-term professional goal is to save money to move into a new apartment. Save money. Now, is that specific? No, that's not smart. Yeah. So we correct that. Yeah. Save money, and you say in the let's say 900 euros. Save money 900 euros to move in a new apartment. Mid-term personal goal. This is not a professional goal. But what about professional goals? This person is still a student, and they say, okay, in this mid-term is 2 years or so, then say graduate and get a good job after my first degree. Yeah, is that smart? That's not smart. Graduate and get a good job in Philips or Shell Petroleum after my first. That's specific. You can do it. Yeah. So I'd say graduate and get a good job in Shell Petroleum, yeah, or Philips after my degree. Yeah, let's put it like that. Yeah, do you see that? This person already has short-term goals. He or she already has mid-term goals, personal and professional. Then we go to the last one, long-term goals. Yeah, personal long-term goals. This person wants to get married and move into a bigger house. Get married. So maybe somebody says, that's not smart, Victor. It's not specific. Get married to who? Get married to my girlfriend or boyfriend, to my BF or GF, and move to Rotterdam, for example. Very specific, it sounds. They know the city where they want to go to. Yeah. Long term, yeah. Professional goals. Remember, they already start working in Shell, but now they say at that time they want to be in a senior managerial position in Shell or Philips. Yeah. Want to be in a senior management position in Shell or Philips. If you see what we've done here, we talk about setting SMART goals. You know the meaning of SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. We also say that when you set your goals, you can use the concept of the 5 W's and the H. What are those goals? Why are these my goals? Who will help me achieve my goals? Where do I need to go to so that I can achieve my goals? When can I achieve my goals? How do I achieve my goals? And we put it practically here. When you set goals, please make sure that you separate clearly your personal goals from your professional goals. In this example, the short-term personal goals of this individual is to lose 20 kg. Not smart. Lose 20 kg in 3 months. That's smart. That's even more smarter. Yep. The short-term professional goals is to pass all their semester exams. Then this same person has a mid-term goal. Short-term personal goals could be anything between now and 1 year. Anything between now, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Short-term goals. Mid-term goals could be anything between 1 year and 3 years. Yeah. And then long-term goals could be anything between 5 years above. Yeah. So when you have goals, make sure that you separate your personal goals from your professional goals. Whether they are personal or professional goals, ensure that you set short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Thank you very much. I just talked about setting SMART goals for 2022. I hope that this will help you set smarter goals for the year 2022. Maybe this is the last video this year. I'm not sure, but if it is, do have a very lovely Christmas break. A happy and prosperous 2022 is what we wish you from here at iDPS Consult Netherlands. Thank you very much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you didn't subscribe yet, click on the subscription button right now. Please share this to everyone so that they can set SMART goals for the year 2022. If you'd like to get in touch with us outside of YouTube, visit the website www.idpsconsults.com or send us an email at info@idpsconsults.com. As you know, I will not go until I talk about my passion. And my passion is that Africa must develop. Therefore, I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing all you can to make sure that Africa must be united and Africa must develop. Thank you. In English language, I say thank you very much. Dutch language from the Netherlands, dank u wel. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, ẹ ṣé o. Bye.